Guys, I have a gift over here. Unboxing a gift from United States of America. Guys, this is I don't know what it is, but let's find out together. So I'm going to tear it up. An African way. we tear it like that. We don't have to. I don't know why it's an African thing. So in this kit, you'll see it's written Kilimal. It has my address over here. You see Golson. Yeah, you see it has got what we call the number of this parcel, which is there. This is a delivery note, by the way. This is a delivery note. It has my name, Golson Sam, and yeah, where I'm supposed to pick up station. Yeah, that's what it's written, and what is inside here. It's written. Should I tell you or should I unbox it? Let me not tell you. Let's unbox and see what it is. So I have to sign this thing before, because that's how the procedure always goes. I have to sign this delivery note. In this case, I did it. So let's take it off. Let's take it off. So, we have taken it off. Should I now show you? So guys, this is what it is, or it is what it is, you see. So this is what we call phone handle portable. You see, phone handle portable. Like I don't know how to explain it, but you can see it in the image over there. This is what it is. It is what it is. It is what to hold the phone as you do what we call recording. Yeah, like your podcast, So let's find out what it contains inside. And I love this setup because it comes with a microphone. It's written 5-in-1. 5-in-1. So if you count all these things, it's 5, except the phone, which is 6-in-1. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then which another? Okay, I think this one 4 and 5. What is the other 5? 5th one, because it's 5-in-1. Yeah, it's written 5-in-1. So let's find out, guys. Let's unbox it finally. So we have to open it like this, like this. And then we do the unboxing. Okay. This is now the setup. This is how it really looks like, Yeah, this is how it looks like. And I have a procedure here. You see, have the procedure of how to connect them, all of them, just over here. So it's 5-in-1. Let's see if it's 5. We have got 1. We've got 2. This is my microphone. This is the holder. I think the stand. We have got 3. We got 4. Then we got 5. And then we've got this connecting thing, which is I think I don't know. I'll find it right now. This is a manual. So guys, this is how it really looks like. This is a setup, So guys, what do you think about this setup? I've really this is not for US, by the way. In Swahili we say nimewahi enjoy. Like I've made some jokes about it. So this is I've ordered it from a place known as Kilimal. So this is a shop that has I bought online. So yeah. So I've decided to test this equipment and see, because I want to be producing or giving you the quality videos and a setup. This is a setup for for recording, for content creators. If you want to do some what we call content creation, this is the gears that you need to be having. And this is just the beginning. I'm trying to test and see, because I want to buy next a GoPro camera so that I can be vlogging out there. This is just for inside the house, but GoPro is the one that I'll be using moving outside there, so that I can bring you quality images, quality audio, and yeah, it's gonna be so amazing. So what do you think about this video, guys? Give a like, subscribe to the channel, and that was just the unboxing, guys. So it is what it is. And yeah, I'm super excited. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to see me making this connecting them, watch in the next video, because I'll show you how it works, how it's yeah, the setup, how it is officially working. Thank you so much for watching. If this video is somehow interesting, somehow what informative video, you can like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now. So this is the light, and this is the light. Let me show you how this light works. Because first of all, guys, you need to put what we call a battery. So this battery cell is supposed to be here. Let me show you how the battery cell looks like. So I have bought 2 batteries. You see here, it's Ava ready batteries. These are the best quality batteries. Yeah, this one. And it's supposed to be double A batteries. As you can see, it's Ava ready heavy duty. So there's supposed to be 2. This is 1, and this is the other one, 2. As you can see over here, it's double A 1.5 volts. Yeah, so 1.5 volts for this light. So, and below this light, you can see it's negative, and this positive over here, and this the on bulb, the on sign, the power, like the power sign. This is the power sign, guys. You see it on your TV, it's written there. On your remote, your remote is written there. When you touch that thing, that's power on. So how this thing works, when you long press this for it to be on, okay, you long press it, and then it will light here. After lighting, you will you will increase light by that positive over here. So that will add light. You'll just see it here. I'll show you in a moment. And then here, you'll do what we call, you reduce the contrast of the light. This is increasing the contrast, and this is reducing the contrast of this particular light. So you must supposed to be having these 2 batteries, but this light came without battery. So as I ordered it online, I bought it without a battery. So it's supposed to, you buy it separate. So let me put it in. You put it correctly, because you see there's terminals over here. So it's written positive, negative. Like here is positive, here is negative. So for those who don't know how to put them, this is how you put it, the battery. This upside that you see, this thing, that's always a positive side. And then this is the negative side, that is flat. So what you do, you come with that battery, you put it here. Like negative is where this thing is, and it's already written. You can just see it over here. It has been drawn a sign of a battery. So what you do, you put it like that. You put it like that, and then you close it. You close it like this. You close it like that, so it's closed, you see. And then what you do, you long press this particular point over here. You don't press it like this, and then it lights up, you see. It lights up like just like that, just like that. It lights up just like that, see. Then you can add contrast. You can add like this. Let me turn this phone off, so you can light like this. You can increase. I have increased. Okay, that is increasing the light. Now you see how it works. It's lighting all over. I see it's lighting. And now you can as well as you can reduce. You can press that negative side, then you reduce the light. I don't know if you can see it's reducing. See, it's reducing already. It's very little light. So that's definitely how this thing works. Then if you want to put it off back, you long press it and then it's off. So that's how it is done. Then we have a microphone here. You can see it. It's a microphone which is supposed to be plugged. This side should go straight to your phone. Yeah, when you're using your phone to record, this one. And then the other side goes to the microphone over here. We have a remote over here. This remote, it's somehow funny because so far I've not known how to use it. I've been trying to look into it, how it works. But the funny thing, when you put it on, you see it's lighting like that. But I don't know how it works. Guys, drop a comment. Let me know what you, if you have this setup, how does this particular thing do work? Because I've tried to press it more so that I don't know, I'm not seeing anything happening. So if you know how to use this particular remote, guys, you can share in the comment section. Let me know how this remote works. This is the only thing that has given me some headache because I don't know how it's operating. And then let me take it back. It has a good place where you put it like that, like this. It's supposed to be like that, yeah. And then we have what we call the stand. This is the stand or the holder. This is what holds the phone, and it stands by its own like this. It stands with, it has 3 legs, so it stands like that, like just like that. Then this is where your phone is is supposed to be held. Okay, let me show you. So after this has turned out like this, then you fix your phone here, your light here, then the microphone up. A setup like this. It's supposed to be like this, you see. Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. That's how it's supposed to be. Guys, I'm super happy for this particular gift. Guys, actually it's not a gift. Okay, it's a gift. Let me say it's a gift. I just gifted myself. I bought it, and yeah, it's quite amazing. I just decided to buy it, and yeah, it's quite amazing because I love it. Decided to buy it online so that I can be making some videos for you guys. Yeah, and it's a good setup for, you know, for working at home. Yeah, when I'm not moving around. Yeah, I just want to chill and make some videos for you. Yeah, that's where I sit and make this particular thing. I hope this video has been helpful. I didn't want to show you much. I wanted to make another video so that I can show you, but also I can also make another video show you how I'm setting it up and how I'm recording, how to test if everything works, because I've just shown you a light introduction of lighting. I've shown you the stand, how it looks like, the microphone. Yeah, so I'll be showing you, if you can decide to tell me in the comment section if you want me to make another video, like reconstructing it and showing you, like fixing them. Maybe you have this particular thing, or maybe you want to buy and maybe it's quite of challenging. You want to make it, you want to fix by yourself. It's so easy, and I can really show you in the next video if you guys do request. Yeah, so enough is enough. I don't want to make so much about it, but I hope you have learned something new today, and I really do appreciate. If you have done, if you've learned something amazing, you can drop a comment. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this particular video, and is it helpful? Yeah, if it's helpful, drop a comment. Let me know in the comment section, and tell me where you're watching me from. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos in this particular video. You'll learn a lot, because here we always say we learn each and every day, step by step. That's why you do. That's why I do upload videos for you guys, so that you learn step by step. So I hope this video is helpful, guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll be ending this video here, and thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.